welcome to AAMG YouTube channel, your health companion. In our channel, we always feature about disease management, health prevention, and some health tips like what we are going to show you today. My name is Esther. I'm a registered dietitian. Today we will discuss how to make a tofu veggie stir fry. This is a great dish for people looking for a hot, healthy dish, or people try to manage their diabetes. Today we will be teaching you how to make a tofu veggie noodle stir fry that is not only heart healthy but also diabetic friendly. Day-to-day diabetes management can be challenging and confusing. Dietary habits and portion control encourages balanced meal of protein, fiber, fat, and carbohydrates as a means to obtain a variety of nutrients while keeping blood sugar levels stable. The focus of this dish is to use only plant-based source ingredients such as tofu. Do you know that research studies have indicated that having high blood sugar from diabetes over a long period of time can increase the risk of heart disease? Animal protein sources such as beef and pork tend to be higher in saturated fats. In this dish, we'll be replacing it with a plant-based protein such as tofu. Increased consumption of soy products has shown to be correlated with a lower rate of having diabetes. Rice noodle paired with a variety of vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and snow peas with tofu are all rich in vitamins and minerals. Together, these ingredients can aid in slowing the absorption of sugar found in rice noodles and meat. Okay, let's get started.
Hello and welcome to the Healthy Cooking Series. Today I will be showing you how to make a diabetic-friendly tofu vegetable noodle stir-fry that is balanced in carbohydrates, fiber, and protein. This is the perfect dish to prepare as your lunch or dinner option. First, we will need the following ingredients: 8 cups of water, 4 ounces of rice noodles dried, 4 ounces of extra firm tofu, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3/4 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a half teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 cup of sliced red pepper and 1/4 cup of sliced yellow bell pepper, 1/4 cup of matchstick or shredded carrots, and a half cup of snow peas. Let's start by boiling 8 cups of water on medium heat. Once the water is beginning to boil, you will add 4 ounces of dried rice noodles. Let the noodles cook in the water for about 5 minutes until they become tender to bite. When the noodles are ready, drain all the hot water out of the pot and rinse the noodles with cool water. This will help the noodles from sticking together while we set it aside and cook our tofu and vegetables. Drain all the cool water and transfer the noodles into a bowl and place aside. You will come back to this later on. You will now need to prepare 4 ounces of tofu. You may choose to use firm or extra firm tofu. Usually I cut about 1/4 of a block to get the appropriate serving size. The serving size per container varies depending on the nutritional label and the brand that you purchase. To prepare the tofu, we have to gently press it down with a paper towel to remove excess water. Removing the extra water will help the tofu keep its firm shape when you cook it. If you do not remove as much water as you can, the moisture may cause the tofu to break apart while cooking. Now cut the tofu into cube pieces and set aside for a moment. Place a frying pan on medium-high heat. Add a half tablespoon of sesame oil and gently add the cubed tofu to the pan. Move the tofu around and flip with chopsticks or cooking tongs so that the tofu cooks evenly on all sides and does not burn. You will fry the tofu until it turns to a slightly golden brown. Once you get this color, transfer the tofu to a bowl and set aside. Using the same pan, keep the heat on medium-high and add the remaining half tablespoon of sesame oil. Next, add your minced garlic, grated ginger, sliced peppers, shredded carrots, and your snow peas. Stir this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Use a spatula or cooking tongs to saute the vegetables evenly. Once the vegetables have softened and are tender, grab the bowl of drained rice noodles you prepared earlier on, as well as a bowl of cooked tofu, and add both into the pan with the vegetables. Coat the vegetables, noodles, and the tofu with the remaining ingredients: the low-sodium soy sauce, rice vinegar, and ground white pepper. Stir to coat the seasonings evenly. Continue cooking this for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Once the seasonings have been nicely blended in with all the ingredients, you can plate your dish. To give your dish a bit more flavor and crisp, you can top with a refreshing herb like cilantro or scallions. Your dish is now ready to be served. Enjoy!